guys, that I have the Glossybox for the month of July, and the box is just so freaking cute. It says dive in it. It has like all this coral around it. I love when they do themed box. And even if you don't use your box, you can always recycle it. First things first is the little pamphlet. As always, this kind of shows you what products are in here and gives you price points as well, which I love when companies do that. The paper this month is dark blue and the ribbon is in aqua, and it's such a pretty color. I think I'm gonna keep the ribbon for other stuff because I love when it's like a really pretty color. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump in. First thing that I see in here is the Farm X serum, and it says this is a concentrated serum that contains bacachol, a plant, sorry if I butchered that, a plant-based ingredient, and it's supposed to be a gentle alternative to retinol. Ooh, this kind of interests me because retinol, I cannot use it. I've tried various times now to try to use retinol, and I've been looking for like a more, what's it called, like a softer, more gentle retinol. I even ordered the Good Molecule ones to see if that one will work for me, because a lot of these retinols are way too strong and it just dries out and peels my skin, which I am not a fan of. So this is actually from Avon and is worth $44. It says it's a light concentrated lightweight oil textured serum. It penetrates the skin surface, target fine lines, wrinkle, and dullness. And it's supposed to give you more radiant, younger looking skin. So it says, unlike retinol, patchouli does not promote photosensitivity, so this serum can be used during day and night. So that is something that I look forward to trying, because I've been looking for something to do what retinol does with wrinkles, but not overdo it the way it does on my skin. Let me know if you guys have issues with that. The next thing in here is the Give Them Lala Beauty. This is the mascara, and this is worth $20. I actually used the Give Them Lala mascara today, and I really enjoy the length and volume that it gave me, as you can see there. Okay, I'm just adding a little bit more. But I really do like the brush that it has. It's very spaced out and really nice. I like the little bristles on here. And this is kind of like the size of mascara I like. I don't really like when the wand is way too big. So I don't know if I'll keep this as a backup or give it away, because sometimes I have way too many mascaras in my collection and I have to, you know, give forward and kind of share. But it is a really great mascara and I really enjoy it. It says it's an all-in-one formula. It helps lengthen, volumize, and define lashes without looking clumpy or heavy. The silicone wand grips to the root of lashes. So I really enjoy that mascara. Really nice one to try out. Next thing in here is the Sunstone Hair Revive Elixir. This has seaweed and jasmine.
Excuse me.
The next product that we have is the Earth Harbor Sunstone Hair Revive Elixir. This is $30. It's supposed to be massaged onto your scalp, helps rejuvenate, and supposed to help with your hair follicles. I am going to be trying this out because I will do anything to revive my hair. I'm actually going to try to keep it one length to try to get it more thicker, because I suffer from a lot of hair loss. I don't have really thick hair. My hair is super thin, and I just wish it had like more life to it. If you guys have any suggestions, leave them down below for more volume, life, hair regrowth, the whole 9 yards. But yeah, I will be adding this in, so I'm excited about that. Next thing in here is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Peach Blossom eyeshadow palette. This is a nice little quad and has really nice shimmery, well, 3 of them are shivers, and then this peach color is like a matte. I'm not going to touch this because I think it'll be nice to share this forward. If you would focus, there you are. So you can see that last shade there is a matte, and then the other ones are shimmers. This is $25. Really nice little mini palette, and I think I'm just going to give this forward because I have way too many eyeshadows, and you guys you guys know I've been trying to decrease some. So little things like this I like to give forward to people who are really gonna get a good use from it. Next thing in here that I see is a little bag. sounds like metal in here. It says authentic beauty concept. What are you? Oh, this is a metal straw set. It's a pack of 3 and they are $10. Oh, it even comes with a little cleanser thing. This is super nice. Oh wow, there's a big one here. So there's 3 different ones. There's the one that like tilts sideways, a straight one, and a large one. I will definitely be keeping these. I am all for using straws or using like decomposing straws like from natural sources. So these are reusable straws, stainless steel, and it actually comes with a cleansing brush. So this is a nice little set for $10. And if you can do anything to help with the planet, you know, recycle, try to do little things like that, that is super important. Last thing in here is the Clio Cocoa Charcoal Deodorant, and it's a tiny little version of it. I'm curious to see what this smells like. Oh, it actually has a really nice smell to it. So this is lavender vanilla, and it smells just like that, lavender and vanilla. It's a small little, oh, it's small, but it's a full size. And this is worth $12. It's aluminum free, natural deodorant, works with your body's chemistry to neutralize odor at its root. It has activated charcoal, plant-based powders, clay, and essential oils, and leaves a blissful scent to your body. So I am going to be trying this out, and I am all for natural deodorants. One of the areas that I'm actually getting lasered, like hair removal, is my underarms, so I will keep you guys posted on that. But the less hair you have, like you have less bacteria too, so then you have less of an issue of body odor. But that's not for everyone. That's not necessarily everyone, so we shall see how my journey is. But I am all for natural deodorant, eliminating aluminum. I've had people in my family who have breast cancer, and there's, I don't know how true it is or not, but a lot of people link aluminum to like clogging your pores or stuff like that. Definitely look into it if you're curious about it. But also, if you haven't seen, there's Not So Pretty. It's a documentary on HBO. Definitely highly recommend to watch, and it's really eye-opening. And I feel like a lot of beauty products are not FDA regulated, and we don't know what's in them and what we're doing to our bodies. So the more natural, the better. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. I'll put the total of the box around here as always. Thank you guys so much for all your support, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.